and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, but I'm not even gonna get into that. I'm gonna get into this review of the Eyelure Line and Lash Clear Adhesive Pen and how much you need it in your life. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna try out this lash glue and hopefully it works. This is it out of the packaging. It's just this little pen looking thing. This is how the tip looks. It's very pointed and it's like a felt. We're gonna try it out and see what happens. I've never tried anything like this before. I've only tried like the magnetic lashes or just like regular like House of Lash glue. And nothing really sticks very well. I'm going to apply it to my lash line because that's what it says to do. Clear, so I have no clue where the glue is going. Or if it's going anywhere for that matter. It doesn't feel like anything is happening. I mean, it's got a little bit of a wet feel. Oh, and if you look closely, it has kind of this gloss look to it. So I'm just gonna make sure I get the, ooh, it's drying fast. Okay, we're just gonna get some lashes on here. It doesn't say to wait or anything, so we're just gonna pop them on and hope for the best. Oh God. Okay, it seems to be sticking. I always have problems with the inner and outer corners, like coming up. I don't know, my eyes are like extra watery. Do you guys have that problem too? It still feels like it's tacky. But the instructions don't tell you to like wait a certain amount of time or anything before you put it on. Oh, my eyes want to water. And I didn't put any like mascara on underneath or anything because I just wanted to try it out. But it's still sticky. So I don't know when it's gonna like fully dry. If ever, hopefully it will. But I'm pulling at my lash and it is not really moving, so that's pretty impressive. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. Hopefully I get the hang of this, but it's weird because the pen is very much clear, so it's like you don't know where it's going until you start to look at it, and it's kind of shiny, and there's like a little bit of wet feeling, but not much, so it's kind of hard to tell. But I'm gonna do it on this side. But I like that it's clear though, because if you mess up, there's not this like black glue everywhere, because that's happened to me. Okay, this side seems to be somewhat drying. It's still a little tacky, but it gets tacky very fast. Like some lash glues, you have to feel like you have to wait for a while. Oh gosh, it's been a long time since I put lashes on, guys. When you're a mom, it's like, time for anything beauty? No, not really. Still tacky on this side. I really don't know if it's going to dry, but it is not coming off, and I'm pulling pretty good, and it's not coming off. So that's impressive. So far, so good. All right, I'm gonna try to put this side on. And oh gosh, you have to like do it like the first touch you get to the right place, or it's really hard to move, which is a good thing. Like you want it to stay, but ooh, it sticks. Yes, it does. Usually you have like, you know, mascara on underneath and eyeliner and whatever else, but I just wanted to see how this worked with just my plain eyelid. This side definitely looks better. I don't know why this is not working, but oh my, if it dries, man, you don't have a lot of time. So I'm gonna just put a little bit more on to try to fix this horrible placement that I did. I'm gonna give it a second to dry a little bit. Oh, by the way, these are the Ardell Wispies. All right, this is dried for a little bit, so let me see if it's going to stick. Please stick. that, if that'll work a little bit better. It definitely gets so sticky and tacky, which is great, because then you know your lashes are gonna stick. Now I have both eyelashes on. Do not judge me because I have not put lashes on in a long time. Only ones I've ever put on for like a year have been the Moxie Lash, the magnetic ones, and I can't do anything else. So when I saw this glue, I was hoping, hey, maybe this will make it easier to put on regular lashes, and I think it does. I am very impressed. This is sticking really well. Once it dried, I'm like pulling, and it is sticking very well. This side is still, seems like it might be drying, so I would say it takes a good 2 minutes or more to fully dry, but you do have a little bit of playtime. If you don't get the placement right, or if you wanted to take it off and try again, like, it works really well that way. So you can build upon it itself, and that seems to be okay. With some eyelash glues, it gets just messy and goopy and it won't adhere to the lid very well. So the lash line, I should say. So this is actually really, really nice, and I think I am happy about this. This is a pretty good way to put your eyelashes on. So far, it doesn't seem to like be making my eye itch or anything like that. I am kind of sensitive with certain things, but I am impressed. So far, so good. And it doesn't look too bad for not putting lashes on for a long time. I just keep touching them because I want to make sure they're really gonna stick. Like, this is impressive. Like, usually it'll come up from the inside corner or outside corner, and that ruins everything. But this is really nice, and it seems like it'd be pretty easy to touch up too if you needed to. Just throw this in your purse and just like put it wherever. I don't know how it would go with on top of other makeup on an eyeliner that's already there. That's one thing I don't know for sure, but for just bare lids, this is how it looks. It's pretty good glue. I hope it comes off. I'm sure it'll come off with some waterproof makeup remover, but I am pretty impressed. The Eyelure Line and Lash Clear Adhesive pen, used with any false lash, except for the magnetic ones. I don't think you can do that. But these are this is a very good way to put your eyelashes on.